Hello colleagues and shalom from Israel. My name is Dmitry and today we are going to talk about restorative dentistry, focusing on the materials that can change our approach to composite restoration. In the year 2024, an event that went largely unnoticed by many marked the end of the year. The Israeli Defense Forces removed amalgam from its annual dental supply standard. The decision signified the last instance in the country where amalgam was used instead of composite resin. The demand for high-quality, aesthetic and durable dental restorations is continuously increasing. As dental professionals, we aim to provide solutions that not only restore function, but also bend seamlessly with natural teeth, ensuring patient control and long-term success. Composite resins have become the cornerstone of modern restorative dentistry, offering excellent aesthetic potential and strong bonding capabilities. However, working with these materials presents its own set of significant challenges. One of the primary concerns we face is achieving flawless adaptation within complex cavity preparations. Imagine a deep, irregular cavity with numerous nooks and crannies. Traditional, highly viscous composites can be difficult to precisely fill this intricate area, leading to potential for air voids or inadequate marginal seal. These imperfections can compromise the restoration integrity, leading to secondary caries or post-operative sensitivity. Another critical challenge is managing polymerization shrinkage. When composite resin are curing, they naturally shrink, and this shrinkage can pull the material away from the cavity walls, creating microscopic gaps. These gaps are an open invitation for bacterial ingress, leading to recurrent decay, discoloration at the margins, and patient discomfort from extra sensitivity, especially to temperature changes. Then, there is an issue of strength and durability. While flowable composites offer super handling and adaptation, they have historically been perceived as less robust than their highly filled, non-flowable counterparts. This often limits their use to smaller, non-stress-bearing restoration or as alignment. The ideal flowable composite needs to withstand the significant masticatory forces present in the oral cavity, ensuring the longevity of our restoration, especially in posterior region. Finally, handling properties and final aesthetics are paramount. A composite must be easy to manipulate, flow precisely where needed without slumping, achieve an even, railable, light curing, and be polishable to a high luster or achieve a natural, lifelike appearance. With multiple composite products on the market, dentists often face choices that involve compromises among their factors. The need for a strong, reliable, and easy-to-use composite that address these challenges has never been greater. And that's precisely where DSI Unilight Flow, a viscous nano-filled light-fluid composite designed to meet the demanding needs of modern restoration, steps in. Developed by DSI, Unilight Flow combines advanced material science with practical application features that redefine what dentists can expect from a flowable composite. Unilight Flow is not just another composite. It's a multifunctional restorative solution engineered to overcome the typical challenges in restorative dentistry and comes conveniently packaged in 2 syringes, 2 grams each, ready for immediate use in your practice. Unilight Flow combines prepolymerized fillers with advanced nanofillers to achieve a flowable material with physical strength similar to conventional hybrid composites. Its polymer structure minimizes shrinkage stress while maximizing bonding to 2 structures, ensuring longevity and patient comfort. This product is not only suitable for class 3 and 5 restoration, but also performs exceptionally well in temporary crown fillings, fissure sealing, porcelain repairs, splinting, ortho retainer bonding, and core build-up. With Unilight Flow, the clinician can confidently use one product for many treatment indications. Let's see what makes DSI Unilight Flow a valuable product in your restorative arsenal. First, let's talk about Nano hybrid technology. This refers to its unique filler composition. Unlike traditional microfield or microfield composites, Nano hybrid composites incorporate a blend of different side filler particles, including nanoparticles. This combination results in a material that is not only highly filled, but also possesses exceptional physical properties. For you, that means superior strength. The advanced filler technology gives Unilight Flow physical properties that are very close to non-flowable composite materials. This enables a robust and safe use in direct restoration and allows it to withstand significant occlusal loads, contributing directly to the long-term durability of your restoration. Variable polymerization shrinkage minimizes stress on tooth structure, reducing the risk of gap formation and secondary caries. Precise shade matching, this uniformity differs filler particles contribute to a lifelike surface shape, strictly adhering to Vito given, while making it easier to achieve a high-gloss polish that resists staining and result in restoration with glossy natural look. Enhanced wear resistance because of this robust composition also provides improved resistance to wear from chewing forces, ensuring your restoration lasts longer. Next is optimal surface affinity and penetration. This is a critical feature for achieving a truly hermetic seal and preventing marginal leakage. Unilight Flow is characterized by its optimal surface affinity, allowing it to quickly penetrate the most challenging areas within a cavity. This effectively minimizes the risk of air voids or gaps, which, as we discussed earlier, are major culprits for secondary caries and post-operative sensitivity. When it comes to handling, Unilight Flow truly excels. With flow on-demand formulation, you are always in control. The material is fluid enough to adapt to intricate contours and narrow spaces, yet it won't run or slump uncontrollably, allowing you to sculpt and shape with confidence. This predictable behavior makes application faster and easier than ever. Unilight Flow is also available in various shades, including enamel, dentin, and opaque options for seamless integration with the natural tooth structure, ensuring beautiful, natural-looking restoration. The formulation resists discoloration and maintains aesthetic over time, preserving patient satisfaction. For diagnostic purposes and follow-ups, radio opacity is essential. DSI Unilight Flow will appear clearly on X-rays, allowing you to easily detect its depth, evaluate its marginal integrity, and monitor the underlying tooth structure, ensuring comprehensive long-term care for your patient. Finally, the easy-to-use application of DSI Unilight Flow cannot be overestimated. Supplied in convenient size regions, it allows for direct and precise delivery. And being a light-cured composite, it allows you to dictate the working time, giving you ample opportunity to perfect your placement before initiating the cure process. Unilight Flow by DSI delivers what the modern dental practice demands: versatility, strength, aesthetics, and ease of use. By addressing the co-limitation of traditional materials, it offers confidence in both routine and complex restorative procedures. Whether you are treating a child first teeth and fissure sealant, repairing a veneer for a high-profile client, or managing posterior class 2 restoration, Unilight Flow brings strength, flow, and beauty into single syringe. In essence, DSI Unilight Flow is designed to simplify your restorative workflow without compromising on quality or performance. It's a testament to DSI Dental Solution commitment to providing dental professionals with materials that empower them to deliver exceptional care. To find more information about DSI Unilight Flow, you can always contact us by WhatsApp or email, or order the whole range of DSI products already today. Just visit our internet shop www.shopdsi.com.
Brought to you by DSI.